on.
So Bingo here just got his first mouse.
It's a baby, but it counts.
Yeah, it counts. It's the first one. Of course it counts. That's a mouse. So small.
Oh, kill it already, Bingo.
He
He doesn't know what to do with it.
He ain't letting it go.
Kill it.
Kill it, Bingo. Kill it. You gotta kill it.
I gotta get. He's not.
He's fine.
I feel bad.
No, stop. I like it. Stop it. Stop.
I like
It's so vicious. Get it, boy. Yeah, get it.
Get him. Get him. Oh my god.
Okay, it's not funny. It's not gonna run. Flip him over, Bingo. Let him run. He's about to chomp on it. See that? Eat it. Thought he was gonna eat it. Don't let it go, Bingo.
Come on, be a cat. Oh shit, where'd it go? I'm taking it away from him now. I'm taking it outside.
No, it's so fun.
He's not gonna kill it, babe. He's just gonna toy with it. Let him toy with it.
He's gonna kill it. I think he's just trying to like work up the guns to do it. He's like toying with him. Maybe he is dead.
No.
Oh, he's just playing
kill
dead.
it. It's Tom and Jerry. Oh my god, bro. Kill it. I kind of want to touch it, but I don't. Oh my, don't come near me. The fuck? He's gonna come get you, Sarah. Come on.
I'm trying to get out of his way.
It's gonna get lost in something. I'm gonna get it now. Yeah, you might want to get it before. Cause it's just
Alright, whatever. Get it.
I need something. Get under it. I'm just gonna use the license plate.
Good job, Bingo.
Good job, baby. Let's go show your mom. Look at him. He's like, give me it back.
Bingo.
So look what Bingo caught. It's a little baby mouse.
Oh my god!
He was playing with it. Look how cute it is.
Yeah.
Okay. Just release it.
I'm trying. I dropped the cup. I don't know where it's at.
Oh well.
I'm not picking the cup up.